Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll show you how to restrict adding items from multiple brands in a single sale or sale return voucher. By default, the system lets you add items from different brands in one bill. If you want to restrict this, go to the Logic folder and open Logic Admin. Then, click on Global Settings and go to Sales Settings 2. In this section, you'll find an option called Do Not Allow Multiple Companies in a Single Sale Bill Return. Check this option and save the settings. Don't forget to restart the software after making this change. Now, let's test it by processing a sale. When you try to add an item from a different brand than the one you added first, the system will show a message saying that multiple brands or companies aren't allowed in a single sale bill.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.